Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to add a button on your Wix website that open up a pop-up. On it is also called a lightbox. So let's get started. First, log into your Wix account and click on Edit Design from your dashboard. Now, once you are in, on the left hand side you will see a plus icon labeled as Add Element. Click on that and here you have to click on the button section. Now, as you can see here, there are many options. Choose the button you want. After that, you can change the text to say something like subscribe now or join now. So you just have to click on this, and here you are able to customize your button. So next, let's create the pop-up. Go back to the add element section and scroll down until you find interactive. Once you click on that, here you are choosing, here you will see the light boxes. Click on subscribe and choose any that you want. For example, I'm taking this. Once it's added, now you can fully edit it. First, you have to click on the settings and you just have to turn off the automatic display light box on pages, and then here you have to customize it. For example, I don't want this red color, so I'm going to click on change background, go into settings and decrease the opacity and color. Once you are happy with this, you just have to. Now let's adjust how this pop-up behaves. Click on the right box and go to the settings. Now, as I told you before, that you just have to turn off the automatic display light box on pages. This way the light box won't open by itself. It will only appear when someone's clicked the button. Now, it's time to connect the button to your pop-up. So now you just have to click on the button and then select link. This will open a pop-up window. So from here you just have to choose light box. And then here you have to write which the light box you are using. After that, click on the done button and then test it out by clicking the button and you will see the light box appear. If everything's work the way you want, go ahead and publish your site. That's it, you have just created a button that opens a pop-up light box on your Wix website. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.